We're going to be making fajitas today. Succeeded?
Finally, it was really tough. First camping. No, not the first one. This is the second one, I suppose. Right?
Yeah, but we're lighting the coal for the first
For the
time.
first time.
If
after-
this season, yeah, in this season.
in this year, so you could see the smoke coming out of the wood as well. Well, it was tough, but fortunately, we had this grill time something charcoal fluid. It saved us. Although this is also dying almost. This is one time only more. So I think the coal is set, Mama. So we'll just spread it and then I'll put more coal on it, and then you can adjust it accordingly for your fajita wraps.
Fajita wraps.
Long time.
Yeah.
I'm tired now. And I hope you liked the recovery videos which we just had. We had 3 cars crested, I suppose. And
We couldn't go closer to them because we were waiting for our turn.
And we were the last one actually because we didn't have the radio and the flag. We have a collection of almost 40 cars here.
And then it's ours.
Ah, long time, Mama. Long time.
Yeah.
Not too close as well. Okay? Steady, Prapti, steady. It's shaking a lot. Kids, can you play a little bit that side? Because we are cooking. Prapti, steady. Mom, all okay?
Show your face.
Instead of using the wraps for it.
Now you take 2.
What do you do? The whole thing? You want to go? Yes.
You will take. Okay, make a circle, make a circle. Okay, where is the competitors? Come here, please. Competitors. Come here.
Challengers!
Challengers, yes, come here, please. 1, 2. Who's else? Okay, challengers over there. Okay, everyone. there were three criteria. Number one was the taste, regardless the food. We had seafood, we had meat, we had chicken. So that was the taste, number one. Number two was presentation. And number three, how genuine was it? Like, was it all made in the desert or you brought something from home? Okay? Yes, and variety, yes, sorry, number four, variety. So, number three was summer.
Good.
Prizes.
Thank you very much.
جاب ايوه
Summer, it's a cookbook.
والله congratulations. He was actually a black horse. He came at the end. يلا مبروك. Next.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
يلا باي. مع السلامة.
Chalo next.
Okay, number two. How to say your name? Martin. Martin. Hey! Jibna. Okay, next. And the champion for 2021, of course, was Brett.
This orc?
We don't know.
This orc to play
We
with
don't know. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed.
It's over, but the night is not yet over. Enjoy.
Very less people remaining here. Most of the cars have gone. Either they have gone back or they have moved a little away and they're sleeping. While Daddy is eating kunafa, which was cooked here by one of the fellow campers.
It is amazing.
And it's amazing, he says.
It is.
It's pretty cold, so he's wearing a cap. Coincidentally, it was in the car. We haven't bought any other stuff. No jackets, no pants or pajamas or jeans. So pretty cold for us. We were not prepared for this cold because last week when we camped it was pretty hot and we were sweating. And do you see one airplane? So we've made some changes this year. You see them? Are you able to find out? Let's see.
I just got through the entire.
Here, we've got these air mattresses. So now we can camp even in the rocky, hilly mountains. Son Explorer is enjoying the game inside the tent on the new mattresses, while Daughter Explorer has found herself a friend and she's playing with her somewhere there.
The next morning.
Good morning. What do we have here? It's 7 o'clock. We're up. Daughter Explorer is gonna do a rollover. How was it? Yeah, it's hard, right? Come. There's the place where we camped in the night. Rest of the campers and the group. Many of them are scattered. That's alright. We're packing up.
Making a move. We're all packed up there behind. Kids don't want to come.